and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am so excited because today I'm going to be unboxing the Fab Fit Fun Fall 2020 box. I'm so excited to be partnering up with Fab Fit Fun in this video. So if you'd like to see all of the many amazing things that I got and things that you can get as well, just keep watching because we're gonna get started. If you guys have never heard of Fab Fit Fun before, they are a seasonal subscription box that gives full-size products from fashion to beauty to fitness and lifestyle, and their mission is to deliver happiness everywhere to everyone in the US, Canada, and the UK. Normally their boxes go for $49.99 with products inside valued over $200, but if you use my code Orlando, you can get $10 off of your first box, which I think is amazing because you're going to get all of this for $39.99, again, using my code Orlando. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna put that all in the description box down below, but I'm so excited to show you the new FabFitFun box design because they are changing it up this season. So this is what the FabFitFun fall box looks like for 2020, and I love it because they decided to make the box out of 100% recyclable materials, which is amazing for the environment. And depending on how much product you get, because their boxes are customizable, the box will be all different sizes, but everything inside will always be valued at over $200. So we love a girl who's trying to help the environment. And speaking of women, I also love that FabFitFun pushes women empowerment. So most of the products that are in the boxes are all from female entrepreneurs, which is amazing. I love women supporting women. Okay, so now for the exciting part of this video. Today is my first day opening this box, so I'm like so excited to like really go through everything and share with you guys what I got, but this is what my box looks like. All of this came inside of my fall FabFitFun box, so I'm so excited to share with you guys everything that is in here. So let's get into it. So the first thing that I'm seeing here is something from Uncommon James, which I'm so excited. I've never had anything from them before, and I cannot wait. I think I already know what this is. So this is a hammered copper canister set. So it comes in a box like this. So excited. I'm actually redoing my bathroom, and I think these are gonna look really, really great in there. I can't wait to show you guys my bathroom journey when I start filming it. These are so cute. Okay, so here's one. This is a really great size canister, and it looks like there's another one inside. So let's see. Okay, how beautiful are these gonna look sitting on your counter? I feel like too, you could even put these in your kitchen and store like raw pasta noodles in there or cookies, crackers, things like that. But I think I want these sitting on my bathroom vanity. I just think these are so beautiful. Wow, I do love those. They're just so much more, I feel like seeing them on camera, they're even more beautiful in person. I absolutely love these. Ooh, okay, the next thing I'm so excited about, I absolutely love the laundress stuff. So this is a full bottle of the Laundress Crease Release. It removes wrinkles. It's a spray that it's a spray that you spray over fabrics or clothing to help release the wrinkles, and everything that the laundress comes out with just smells so good. So I'm really excited about this. I absolutely love this brand. Ooh, okay, so the next thing is a multivitamin mask from, oh gosh, I don't know if I'm going to pronounce this right, so I'm going to make sure that all the names of everything are down below, but Vitamasks, I think, is what it is. So that's cute. It looks like a little like pill bottle kind of thing, vitamin. So it's a moisturizing Korean face mask made with vitamins B3, B5, B6, C, and E to nourish your skin. I love that. So it's like is it a sheet mask? It's a sheet mask. I love a good sheet mask, and I'm completely out right now. Ooh, I'm super excited to try these. This comes in a pack of 5, so that's amazing. I love to do a little bit of self-care throughout the week, so these are gonna be really excited. I cannot wait to break into these. All right, the next thing is a Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with truffle extract. So it's a whipped cleansing cream. That sounds super luxurious. I love that. It's gluten-free, BPA-free. Love that. So just a nice makeup remover. Ooh, I cannot wait to try that. I bet it smells amazing. Can we get in here? Ooh, that smells so good. Ooh, I cannot wait to try that. Okay, so what is this? So this is interesting. It is, oh, it's a cutlery set. Is this like a travel cutlery set? You know what this reminds me of is, if you guys watch Friends, it's like the cheesecake episode when they drop the cheesecake on the floor and then Joey pulls out a fork.
All right, what are we having?
This is now gonna be me. So I'm gonna be the one who has the fork in her pocket. But I do love that because now it feels like when you go out to a restaurant or something and they only have like to-go plastic forks, you can bring your reusable ones and you're not hurting the environment, which I love. But how cool, I never knew this like existed. And this is from, I don't know if I mentioned this, Hip. It's wheat straw. That's so interesting. What a great idea. All right, so the next product in my box is, ooh, room spray. I love room spray. Danielle Stone perfume. Santal Noir room spray. I love a good room spray. Every time after I clean my house, like I was saying, I love the laundress one. After cleaning, I light a candle, I spray my room spray, and my house just smells so good. So I can't wait to try. Now I have to know what this smells like. And I love the design of the bottle. Really cute. I feel like you could leave it sitting on your bathroom counter or kitchen sink. It's good. Oh, that's really good. Yeah, I like that. That smells amazing. And I love just the way they designed the bottle. It's really, really pretty. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here still. Oh, okay, so this is from Glossmetics. This is a hair removal device. I love these. I actually have one, but I've been feeling like lately, because I've had it for so long, not from this company, but I've been feeling like since I've had it for so long, it doesn't work as well anymore. So I'm really excited to see this one. Okay, so this is like super cute. I love, it's rose gold and it comes with a battery and a little cleaner for the blade. So I love that. So what these do is you can turn it on and you can kind of shave all of like that baby fuzz off your face. So when you go to apply your foundation later, you have a really, really smooth canvas. And I'm telling you, if you've never done this before, I'm about to change your life because this seriously does wonders. Peach fuzz, it makes everything look a little bit more textured, and this makes you look like you have the most beautiful baby skin ever. So great. Super excited to try this one because like I said, my other one I just feel like isn't working as well as it used to. Okay, not gonna lie, this feels like Christmas morning. This is amazing. I'm super excited about this. So the next product, I think this is my last product. This is the Beauty, okay, I'm gonna butcher this name so bad, but Beauty Papier? I don't know. Golden Superfood Antioxidants Shower Gel. It's pumpkin scented. Okay, now it's feeling like fall. Oh my gosh, see now I gotta smell it because if it's gonna be pumpkin scented, it's pumpkin, argan, apricot, orange, and aloe. That is like the dream mixture. That's gonna smell so good. Okay, now I have to know. Oh, that is so good. That smells so good. I'm gonna keep this to myself and not tell my husband about it so that it can just be mine. This is so, I feel like you're gonna smell like, you won't even need perfume. This stuff smells so good. I love this. Oh my gosh. Okay. This might be my favorite thing. Ah, amazing. And again, I love the packaging. Really, really cute. All right, guys, so that's it for my first FabFitFun box unboxing. I am so excited to try all this stuff. I'm going to put a link down below as well as my code. Don't forget that my code is Orlando and you can get $10 off of your first box, which is an amazing deal. I mean, all of this stuff for $39.99. That's a steal. Like, that is so amazing. Everything smells so decadent and luxurious, and I love that. Nothing felt cheap to me. It all felt like this is well worth the money. So thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below as well as the little bell icon so that every time I upload a video, you are first to be notified. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again next time.